Hello everyone and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create a new workspace in Notion. So creating a separate workspace will help you keep your personal notes private, and if you'd like to collaborate with someone else on a separate project, creating a different workspace will help you keep your notes and projects cleanly organized. So without further ado, all we have to do is go to the top left corner of the screen and then click on your profile account, and then we have to click on the three dots next to your email address and then join or create a workspace. Give it a few seconds, then we'll have to choose what type of workspace do we need. For my case, I'm going to go with the personal workspace, and I'm going to work on my own in this workspace. You can select what will you use this workspace for. Let's say I'm going to use it for habit tracking, and that's it. Give it a few more seconds and then your personal new workspace will be created. It will also have this new page for habit tracking, etc. You will be able to switch between workspaces from this section again, top left corner of the screen. All we have to do is create on the different workspaces. You can also organize them with this small button over here, and that's it. Thanks guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.